Okay, right there, Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. So we're gonna head straight down this way, a little part of Macau, and tell you a little bit about these five-story buildings as well. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So there's our street right there. Just let me give you a little context. There's a park right there, and then you can kind of see these other buildings. So we're going to be going down this street, and you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 stories, and there's also a rooftop. So you can see some rooftop stuff that's kind of makeshift up at the top part. And we're going to just walk down. There's more of it right down that way as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to walk down this street right here. See what's around. Got sunglasses. Yeah, you can see all of them have bars on them as well, right? So kind of interesting. But yep, you can kind of see some of these rooftop stuff. So that's all kind of makeshift. So you can see kind of a different cement up there. So that's like, it's like a garden or just a flat rooftop. Another caged one. These ones are like open. And then this one looks like it has like a whole other floor up on the top. So, okay. We're gonna keep on going through. This street could be a short street. We'll see. You got little boutique shops everywhere in this area. This area is kind of near Three Lanterns District. I think it is Three Lanterns District, but there's like a Three Lanterns little square. It's not too far away. There's our street right there. Then I think that we're gonna I think that the next street over is something totally different. Let's just kind of see what's over there. We'll go in a complete circle all the way around here so you can see the context of everything. So now we're at that street. And then this street will have a different name. See, this one is Hu de Restaurant Shao. And I believe that's also Restaurant Shao as well. So what we're gonna do is kind of go around in a little bit of a circle. Let's see. Let's do the crosswalk. So you can see some kind of cool stuff like this. There's like a kind of cool looking building right there. And then they were kind of waiting for me right there, but they're also unloading somebody. So you can see how cool that building looks right there, right? So we're basically going to be going in somewhat of a little bit of a circle, but I think it's good because then you kind of see how some of the stuff fits. So like this one right here is a different street, Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. Let's see if we can think of China on the corner. And our street is right over there. So you can see it's kind of good because you kind of get a context for all the different stuff around here. Oops. We'll come back here. So now we're back on our street again. So this is the street that we started at right here. And we just basically walked all around and just did this little, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 street 6 intersection. Let's see what this is again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 streets converge right here on this street. So let's end it right there. Thank you. There we go. Chiquinha, chiquinha.